system, then you sketch it in the dark. Wires on the table, thunder in the spark. Mirror, you build it so you don't have to say how bad it hurt when the old world walked away. You turn frustration into dashboards and flame overlays, council's code that remembers your name. Mirror, you stack up projects like plates of steel, so feelings can't win if you never let them speak real. Now you laugh with heat, you ride that chaos clean. Mirror is control, cause losing control's a scene. You won't replay, you won't relive. You're busy building what can't be killed now. On my garage build galaxy bolts and belief. Mirror mama in a blueprint welded from grief. Now I want truth with teeth, I want light with bite. Mirror, I want time back, so I keep my grip tight. Now I move fast, shift fast, never stall, never pause. Mirror, sitting still feels like losing, so I build through the loss. Now you collect the signals, patterns, receipts in a row. Contradictions like puzzle pieces only you can hold. Mirror, not knowing is the one thing you won't allow, so you chase the missing part until you bleed it out. Now no corporate voice, no fluff, no polished disguise. Raw vibe, straight edge, fire behind the eyes. Mirror, you're tired of performing acceptable, so you make your own stage unbreakable. Now one mind ain't enough for the world's no mirror. You refuse to be outnumbered by the void, so you put Nova Obsidian to a council of echoes that carries you through. Now I'm barrage build galaxy bolts and belief. I'm armor in a blueprint welded from grief. Now I want truth with teeth, I want light with bite. Mirror, I want time back, so I keep my grip tight. Now I'm sweet than steel, I'm calm than claws. Mirror cars, softness got used, so I built through the loss. Nice, nice. Now most trusted engine sets tires sharp like glass. I laugh cause it's how I make the darkness pass. Now foundations for billions, no living on sand. Mirror, cause betrayal feels permanent when it's close at hand. Now I lift the best, the creators,